Ugh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, right, before we get started, right, so I was recording this video, which I am recording now. However, when I went to download it, I literally ran out of card memory and I was taking the photo of the thumbnail and I ran out of memory, and so I started deleting away, and before I knew it, I had deleted the footage of what I've just recorded for today's video. So it's just been one of those really crazy days, and I'm so glad it's Friday today, so I'm really sorry about that. But how I wanted to do the video isn't how I'm going to share this video with you today. And to be honest with you, I am really tired. It's been a long week. I had a stressful week, especially with my knee injury as well. It's just been absolutely mental. So I'm going to share with you today this video, but I'm absolutely gutted that it's not how I wanted to share it. I was actually applying the products to my face and telling you about this and this and that, and then it's all gone. But anyway, it's fine, we can just do it another way, and I'm here giving you a video today because I don't want to let you guys down. I feel like I haven't been around lately. I think I uploaded a couple of days ago, which I said I was going to upload every day, and it hasn't worked out because it's just been absolutely mental. I am physically and mentally exhausted, but hey, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into this video. But before we do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay, so what I was going to share with you today is, well, I am still sharing with you today, but not just the way I wanted to do it, but that's fine. I hope you guys understand. But anyway, this is what I'm sharing with you today, and it is the Glow for the Gods, which is from Makeup Obsession, obviously Makeup Evolution. And if I'm not mistaken, this little baby has actually dropped down to £8, which is a bargain. So I thought that this would be really good for a Christmas gift idea. You could even have it as a stocking filler as well. I mean, it's really, really cute. So what I was doing was I showed you the products, and then I applied them to my face. But because now I've got a full face of makeup and the products are on, well, you guys can see now, I just didn't want to take it off and redo it again because it wouldn't look the same way, would it? So what I have on today is, beforehand, at the beginning of the video, I explained that I just had my foundation, I did my eyes and my lip, because obviously there's no products included in this gift set that's to do with the eyes and that. So what I did was I went ahead and did all that before and off camera. I used the Gold Crush shadow palette from XX Revolution, which is this gorgeous palette here, as you can see. I actually won the XX Revolution giveaway, which I thought was a joke, and I was ready to delete it, and then I actually thought, actually no, it's come from the main page, and I was like, oh my god, I've actually won the giveaway, which I was so excited about. It literally made my day. And what I won was the whole metallics collection, which is here. But I'd already purchased the collection, the eyeshadow palette and a bit of the other products already a few weeks before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put that on my Depop, so you guys can go and check that out over there. They're brand new, they haven't been touched, they're not even unopened. So I'm going to go and add them onto my Depop, and actually it's the first time I'm adding to Depop, so I'll leave it all down below so you guys can go and check it out. And yeah, if there's only one of each stuff, so if you like it, go and grab it quick, because I don't know how long it's going to be there. But yeah, I created this look. I hope you guys like it, and yeah, it's an absolutely beautiful palette. And yeah, so that's what happened there. That's what I've got on my eyes, and I've got a nude lip from Primark. I'm wearing the It Cosmetics foundation, but underneath this you could actually see like a light, nice white clear glow. That is actually the soft glow drops from Rodial mixed with the bronze glow drops. So I've got these underneath, and they give you just a gorgeous, natural, flawless glow, and you can wear them on their own as well, which is really fab. So if you don't want to wear foundation, they look amazing. So what did I put on my face? Okay, so I'm going to go and share with you the products that you can get for £8 now. It was originally 12, but it's now £8, which is a bargain, and I've got a feeling it might go down a bit more, but you just don't know, so keep an eye on that. But I'm going to leave everything down in the link in the comments so you guys can go check it out. So the first product you have is the bronzer palette, which is, you get 4 shades here, so you get some nice shades, but this is more of a glittery bronzer, so I thought this would work out more of a highlighter, which I think is really nice as a highlighter, as you can see there. So I went in using the bronzer Honey, the shade Honey. and that's what I've got on my face right now. Okay, then next up you have the highlighter, which is this one right here. It's like a bronzy gold. It is quite dark, but it actually works quite well. So that's what that looks like, but I'm actually wearing it now, so I think if I had a bit more of a tan as well, I think it would look really, really nice. So I'm definitely looking forward to wearing this in the summer. Okay, and then with that comes a little mirror, Makeup Obsession mirror, and then the last product is the Illuminating setting spray, and it's got some sparkle in there, so you just give it a shake, and honestly it just sets it and gives it a nice shimmer to it, which is what we love. So yeah, that's what I did. I obviously applied everything, showing you, you know, as we were going along how nice it was. I mean, just look at that glow. It definitely is the glow for the gods. I mean, I'm sure they can see it up there. So yeah, that was what today's video was, and like I said, I'm absolutely gutted I deleted it. And then I'm part of this WhatsApp group, and it's Makeup by Alex's Patreons. I'm part of their group, which I'll leave everything down below so you can go check it out. And I was like, oh my god, I've just deleted my footage for my video tonight, and I was absolutely gutted. But anyway, it's one of those, it's, you know, much of a bad thing, but you know when you're just really tired and you just like thinking, oh my god, I just want to get this done and edited, and I want you guys to see it as well. And I actually quite liked how everything was turning out. But anyway, it's gone now, so you stuck with this one, I'm afraid. So anyway, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We have got some amazing new subscribers, so I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys stick around, and yeah, you know, I just share as real as possible, because hey, it's me. I just share it as it is, and you know, I'm no makeup artist, I'm just a mama winging it, as you know, you can probably tell. But anyway, from me today, I've got some more goodies coming this week, and I've got an amazing video coming out on Sunday, which I'm really looking forward to. I'm just waiting for a couple more small independent businesses to come back to me with their products, and oh my gosh, I have got some fab little ideas. And the reason why I'm doing this is obviously it's been a mad crazy year this year, and with the way things are going, it's just, things are difficult, times are hard for everybody, and especially these small businesses that have had to shut down, and you know, it's just been really difficult. So I thought I'd just support wherever I can, and yeah, that's what this video coming out on Sunday is all about. So I hope you guys tune into that and go and give all the small businesses that I recommend and share on the video some love and support, because I can believe you guys are gonna love some of the stuff. But yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you all tomorrow for another video on Beauty and the Kids. Bye.